Welcome to another module for this course. In this module, we'll be discussing the introduction to WordPress page builders. What are WordPress page builders and how do they work? We're going to be exploring some of the options under the WordPress page builders. WordPress page builders basically are plugins. These are plugins that makes it easy for us to work on our WordPress website without writing codes. They make the process of creating, editing, and customizing our website easy and fun for us. As a basic beginner, it is difficult sometimes for you to customize a page layout when you don't have a good understanding of HTML and CSS. But with page builders, you are given the capacity to build a beautiful WordPress website without the need to understand some of these programming languages. With WordPress Page Builder, it comes with flexibility, customization, and ability to transfer what you have done from one website to another or from one page to another. These are some of the things that makes using the page builder a good option when working with WordPress. There are so many WordPress page builders in the WordPress market. As a matter of fact, we say there are a lot of them because over the years, so many ones come out. While some stand the test of time, they've been used over the years, while others coming out almost every other year. In this particular module, we're going to look at some of the used plugins that we have when it comes to page builder. Our focus is on ease of use, flexibility, and the design output, what they give us at the end of the day. Always remember that one of the most important reasons why we use a page builder is to ensure that our pages or our website is not bound by a theme. It means that if I make changes to my theme, with the help of a page builder, I can still maintain the design of that page as much as possible, unlike relying on a page builder that is being provided by a theme. It means I am restricted to only use that page builder. And if I decide to make future changes to that page builder, it will affect the total design of my site as much as possible. Let's explore. Number one here is the Visual Composer. It's also called the WP Bakery. Now, this is one of the most powerful website builder when it comes to WordPress. It allows us to design using a user-friendly options. Nevertheless, this is a professional tool. It means it is not very beginner friendly. It has a lot of tools with a drag and drop builder option. It has what we call the element option, which means without using the drag and drop option, you can build all the elements using the box option. Now, it allows you to switch between theme without losing what you have done. Like I said, almost all the page builders that we're going to explore have this capacity, and Virtual Composer comes as number one on our list for this course. Number two is the Divi website builder. Now, the Divi website builder is also a fantastic website builder. It has over 20 plus layouts and templates that you can use for various types of website. It is a true definition of what you see is what you get. Unlike the previous one that we explored with the Virtual Composer, Divi has a better flexibility when it comes to the drag and drop capacity. It gives you ability to see what you're doing in real time. You don't have to save and preview. It gives you access to work with it in real time. The next one is the Beaver Builder. Now, the Beaver Builder is also a very popular builder when it comes to the WordPress market. It has a good interface, and one of the beauty of the Beaver Builder is the onboarding tool. For a beginner, this is a very important aspect using the Beaver Builder. It gives you an onboarding tool that allows you to understand how to build a basic page or a basic layout using this application. It has also the slider, the carousel, the background option, your content blocks, your buttons, and so many other information and widgets that will help you to build your website. We say it is one of the very easy tools to use for a beginner. It has predefined templates that will make the process of creating a beautiful website as fast as possible. The next on my list is the page builder by Site Origin. Now, this is a simple drag and drop system. It uses a grid technology, which means it gives you capacity to use widgets builders together to get what you want to do. Now, this builder has also the capacity for a front end editing. This builder works similar to that of the first one that we looked at, which is the virtual composer or the WP bakery option. So it gives you option for both the backend building blocks using widgets and also a live preview option to use as well. So if you are looking for something basic to start with, you can also use the Site Origin builder because it is also very beginner friendly. The next on my list is the Breezy page builder. Now, Breezy is one of the new player in the industry when it comes to page builders that we've mentioned so far. Breezy happens to be one of the newest of them. Nevertheless, the team behind the Breezy builder are very known when it comes to WordPress themes and plugins over the years. So it is new as a product. Nevertheless, the team behind it are known in the market. Now, it has a lot of building blocks predefined into it, over 150 of them that you can easily use to build your website. Just drag and drop. It has forms, it has sliders, it has builders, it has carousel, it has a lot of widgets that can help you work as fast as possible. Another beautiful thing about this builder is the ability to auto save when you are working. So it gives you the capacity to auto save your work when you're working. So sometimes you're working and you might forget to hit the save button or the update button. Breezy builder will automatically do that for you at various intervals. The next on my list is the Elementor page builder. Now, Elementor page builder, it's a very powerful tool that has been used to build very beautiful websites over the years. I always say that this is one of the fun to use builder that you can enjoy both for a beginner and a professional. Even if you understand HTML and CSS, the better it is for you to use this tool because it gives you capacity to explore more and to put in all your creativity into it. It comes with tons of widgets, so many widgets, and it has capacity for extensions. There's a lot of free extensions out there, and this builder it's very robust in nature. It has a free and a premium version, and it comes with ready-made templates that you can use. As a matter of fact, this Elementor builder will be what we'll be exploring in the next module. So please take a look at it. It's a very powerful tool. It's robust. It has a lot of details in it. It is flexible as I'm redefining how we build using WordPress. As you can see, we have various other builders that we could not explore in this module. Like I said, we're picking some of them based on what they do, based on the flexibility, capacity for me to transfer from one website to the other, which means what I've done with a builder on a page, I can export them and use them on other page. That will be the end of this module. Thank you very much and do have a great time learning.